Yeah, man. Them big boy and mash up my dam, you know? Yeah, man. Them this in a bucket, 6 of them I catch. One of them dead, you know? Scale around there and put him on the fridge already. See it. Rest of them just threw them and dead yet, but I don't want to scale them, you know? Them size up, them big on this little too. Mm-hmm. One thing, man, you know, say I'm scared of them and walk around. And I'm big, you know. Real big. Yeah. Yeah. It's got two the catch. Man, up at the dam, you know. 6 of them I draw up to the one to the set. Quite a few of them kind of get dirty, you know. Going back for them rapidly. Like a good true ball is a rapid.